Yes, dear students, good morning to all of you. Suraj Education Group welcomes you. I am Dr. Pankaj, and today we are discussing about one of the most important topic of 12th class, that is sex determination. In sex determination, you know very well about XX and XY type of method of sex determination, and in XX and XY type of method, Y chromosome play an important role for determining sex of an individual. How Y chromosome determine sex of a child? So now we are discussing about structure of Y chromosome. This one is the diagram of Y chromosome, and in the diagram of Y chromosome, this region is known as PAR. अपर एंड एंड लोअर एंड पर आपको रीजन देखने को मिलेगा, दैट इज नोन एज PAR. PAR represent pseudo autosomal region. Pseudo autosomal region, as the name indicate, they are the short regions of homology between mammalian X and Y chromosome. They behave like an autosome and recombine during meiosis. One of the important point. So they behave करेंगे ये ऑटोसोम की तरह और रिकम्बाइन होंगे मियोसिस पर. सो जनरली प्रोजेनी में जो करैक्टर्स ट्रांसफर होंगे ऑटोसोमल करैक्टर्स, वो इन्हीं रीजन की वजह से होंगे, PAR, दैट इज सूडो ऑटोसोमल रीजन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बिलो PAR दिस साइट इज नोन एज SRY साइट, और यू कैन सिंपली से SRY is one of the most important gene. It provides instruction for making a protein called sex determining region Y protein. So this region is known as sex determining region of Y protein because SRY is the most important gene. Always be remember that. Very very important question. SRY is one of the most important gene that is located over the structure of Y chromosome, and it codes for TDF, that is testis determining factor. So it is active during 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, and that codes for male child. Okay, so male child के लिए जो gene responsible होता है, that is SRY gene, and SRY gene encodes a protein. SRY gene encodes TDF, that is testis determining factor. This point is known as centromere. You know very well about centromere. Next, this whole site is known as MSY site. MSY site, and MSY site contains the two parts. That the first part, that is known as euchromatin part, and second part is known as heterochromatin part. Euchromatin and heterochromatin. Euchromatin is the loose chromatin structure which is active for transcription. So जो transcription के लिए active structure है, that is euchromatin, and heterochromatin is the tightly packed condensed form of chromatin, and always be remember that it is inactive for transcription. Transcription के लिए ये inactive region देखने को मिलेगा, and this complete site is known as MSY site, that is male specific region of Y chromosome. So this one is the male specific region of Y chromosome. Okay, so in this whole diagram, the main important, very very important question, that is SRY gene, and SRY gene encodes TDF. SRY gene is responsible for determining sex of a child. So actually Y chromosome is responsible for determining the sex of an individual. How? In male sex child, basically always be remember that in case of male child, MIH means Mullerian inhibiting hormone. Mullerian duct is basically regressed, and it is regressed by MIH. Okay, and it is regressed by Sertoli cells. So Sertoli cells secrete MIH, Mullerian inhibiting hormone, and MIH regress Mullerian duct. Mullerian duct नहीं बनना चाहिए. कहाँ? मेल के अंदर Mullerian duct को आपको इनहिबिट करना है मेल के अंदर, वोल्फियन डक्ट को आपको एक्टिव रखना है मेल के अंदर। वोल्फियन डक्ट कौन बनाएगा? वोल्फियन डक्ट बनाएगा टेस्टोस्टेरोन। टेस्टोस्टेरोन को कौन सीक्रेट करेगा? लेडिग सेल और इंटरस्टिशियल सेल सीक्रेट testosterone, and this all happen due to the TDF, that is testis determining factor. Okay, and always we remember that the Mullerian duct inhibit होना चाहिए because it is the part of female sex determined by Mullerian duct, and male sex is basically determined by Wolffian duct, because Wolffian duct makes the accessory parts of male reproductive system. So last point आप लोगों के लिए important point, क्या आपको मेल के अंदर मुलेरियन डक्ट को इनहिबिट करना है, रिग्रेस करना है, और वोल्फियन डक्ट को एक्टिव करना है। एंड इन केस ऑफ फीमेल के अंदर आपको रिवर्स ये कर देना है, फीमेल के अंदर आपको ये सारा। सो वाई क्रोमोसोम डिटरमाइन सेक्स ऑफ ए चाइल्ड।